Hi guys, so in today's video we are going to be doing a fire and ice look. So if you'd like to go ahead and see my interpretation on a fire and ice look, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so I already primed my eyes with the Milani Eye Primer in 01 Nude. And I'm going to go in with the Morphe X James Charles palette, and I am going to go in with the color Cola, which is that one right there. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Playground. And I think I'm going to do a halo eye, so I'm just going, as you saw, I'm just going the outer corner and the inner corner with that color. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease, well, cut where I'm going to make the halo. So I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go in with Hello. And I'm obviously just going to put that over the concealer. Alright, now we're going to do the fire eye. I'm going to go in with Sis. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the color Rusted. Alright, then I'm going in with the color Literally, and I'm going to go ahead and fill the halo in on the fire eye. I'm actually going to go in with Halloween as well. Alright, this is what we're looking like right now. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and then we'll come back to finish out the rest of the eye look. Alright, so I went ahead and I did the rest of my face makeup, and then I put lashes on, and now we're going to go in to the bottom lash line. And obviously we're just going to take all the colors that we did and just do it again. Alright, and that is going to be it for today's look. If you like the look, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Are you more Team Fire or Team Ice? Personally, I just kind of like the blues a lot better. The red one did turn out a lot better than I thought it was going to. I guess it's not technically red, it's orange. The orange one turned out better than I thought it would, and just the lashes and the lower lash line just makes it even better. So they both turned out great, in my opinion. So you'll have to let me down below which one you like more. Otherwise, you can always feel free to subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!